You're seeing this video because you're subscribed to the Arcade Archive. Our videos have a new home which you can go and subscribe to now. If you want to keep up to date with the arcade restorations, repairs, arrivals and preservation work that we do, please subscribe to the Retro Collective. It's our new channel where we share everything that happens here.
I'm having a real nostalgia kick here. The games, the lighting, the sounds. Look, we've got Asteroids, Berserk, Defender.
Where we keep the experience alive with new hardware.
And of course the SD card where you can put your games and the operating system on.
Where we create replicas of historic machines. And industry legends come to share their experience.
Seriously, trying to look at code on a portable RF cable TV, it's just horrible.
A place where no console gets left behind. And no stone goes unturned in the search for exotic, unusual or forgotten systems and the stories behind them. We are the Retro Collective, and if you'd like to join us in all of this, then please subscribe to our channel now.